2017 Ford Mustang 4-cylinder turbo. Still got the factory converter up there somewhere. Then we took a resonator delete. He brought it into us. We did the res delete on it right there. It comes into a dual outlet, so we had to put a Y pipe, and you had the muffler deleted somewhere else. Both mufflers, right there and right there. That's how you do a resonator delete. You have to put a Y pipe in its place, right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is. Ford Mustang. Much better. Sound decibels, go ahead. 115, bro. Make sure you tag us in it, okay? Back it up. So they can go to the channel, you know? Tag us in there if you got a lot of friends. So they can hear it on there. Yeah, that sounds sick. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Mustang turbo 4-cylinder, straight piped all the way back. No resonators, no mufflers. Still got the cats.